Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two companies that are currently hiring people to train robotics, and the best part of it is that no experience or academic qualification is required. So stick around because I'm going to show you the secret on how to get accepted fast and the whole application process. And without wasting time, let us start with the first company, and it's called Micro One. The job is home activities video contributor. In this role, you are required to have these skills. Job description: job type is part-time or full-time freelance. Location: remote work from home. The pay is $6 per hour, fixed hourly rate. So depending on where you come from, you'll get paid $6 an hour. And this job is currently hiring all parts of the world. And job summary is: we are looking for experts to record short videos of every home activities. These videos will be used to help robotics learn how people do normal tasks at home. You will record yourself doing things you already do in your daily life, such as cleaning, laundry, or cooking. So guys, as you see, this role doesn't require complex skills. You are just needed to have a smartphone which you can use to record. What you will do: record videos of normal day home activities. Examples include washing dishes by hand or dishwasher, doing laundry, folding clothes, sweeping or mopping floors, making food or coffee, etc. Guys, imagine doing what you love or doing what you like doing on a normal daily basis, then getting paid $6 an hour, and the job doesn't discriminate. You can get hired from any part of the world. What you need: a smartphone with a wide range camera, 0.5 zoom, a headband to hold the phone while recording, a clean and tidy space in your home, good lighting, natural or indoor light is fine, internet connection to upload videos. Important notes: you do not need acting skills, you do not need to talk during the video unless asked, you do not need to show your face in the videos, you just do the task normally. Who can apply? Anyone who can do basic home tasks, no degree or special skills required. Most people have been asking me that they don't have any experience or academic qualification. Can they get these work from home online jobs? And the answer is yes. Like in this case, you are not required to have a degree or a special skill. But if you have one, well and good. But for those of you who don't have, it's not something to worry about. Suitable for people of all backgrounds. Whether you come from any part of the world, you have a chance, you stand a chance to work with this company. Why this job matters: your videos will help improve future technology by showing how real people move and work at home. Every recording helps make robotics technology better and more accuracy. Guys, after going through required skills, the next thing we are going to do is to apply. So the application process is simple. Apply now. We are going to add our first name. Let's say my name is Michael, and then that is my name. This is for example purposes. Then put your email: a.michael blah 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 blue at gmail.com. Next, phone number. This is the phone number, 1307. After that, the next thing is to click next. Answer a few questions to complete your application. What is your notice period? You can say notice period is the number of days you want to get notified whether to start working with them. You can say 1, 2, 3 depending with your availability. How many hours per week are you available to work? If you want, just say 40 hours plus. You know, the more you work, the more you earn. So if you want to make more, you can say you need to work 40 or even 50 hours a week. What is your expected hourly rate? You can say 7 or 8 depending with your appetite. Are you okay with the pay of $6 per hour for this project? Yes, I'm okay. Then, do you own a smartphone with a wide camera, 0.5 zoom? Yes, because in the job description here, they said what you need. You need to have a smartphone with a wide camera of 0.5 zoom. Are you able to start immediately? Yes. Could you please confirm whether you completed the form and uploaded the 2 required screening videos from the link? Yes. So next is you apply. After clicking apply, you will receive an email after a day or two, and you see, you have successfully applied for this job. You are just one step away from moving forward with Micro 1 for the home activities video contributor role. You can review the role here. Your next step is to complete your AI interview with the AI recruiter. It's a conversation way for us to understand your experience, motivation, and fit for the role. Here is what to expect. Format AI, estimated duration up to 18 minutes. Focus, this is the after that you will receive this type of an email. Hi Michael. Hi. Following up to clarify the application process, as there was a small mistake in the link shared earlier. To keep the process moving forward, please complete both steps below. Complete the Google form. Now here you will complete your Google form. After completing, you will go through robotics task recording quick screening form. You will go through the screening form. Thanks for your interest in the Micro 1 robotics project. This form helps us evaluate your step and sample recordings. So guys, you'll go through the screening form. Once you complete the screening form and finish everything, you will continue, and that's how you will start working with Micro 1 robotics task recording. So after uploading your video example, the next thing is you will start to work with them. And the next job is from Productive Playhouse, and these are the current openings. You can look for any available job depending with your country. Like for example, if you are from African, and this one is for African speakers test voice models, AI models. It's remote development project, Africans transcriber, Albanian speakers, Aramic speakers. This is from all sorts of them people, and it's hiring from any country. Bengali, you just need to scroll and see if you will be able to see your language. So Chinese linguistic consultant, Croatian speakers, you can just search English, Indonesian speaker. So guys, you need to search and see if you will get your role. For example, let's say I'm from India English speaker, so I'll click Indian English speaker. Then you'll be able to see Indian English speaker test voice model AI. This is for tutorial purposes. If you are from the UK, from the US, you will be able to see your country's language there and be able to apply. Join our team of Indian English speakers. Apply now and complete onboarding and upfront. Be ready to start the moment project go live will contact you immediately to confirm your availability. Don't miss your chance to get in on the action. Location remote, it's global. Status project based, and the pay is $8 an hour. Benefits are flexible. Just go through everything, and if it's something that interests you, you can come here, apply this position. First name, let's say my first name is Kumar and the last name is Arjun. This is for tutorial purposes, and the email is kumararjun at gmail.com. Then being fast, then put your number here. That's your number, for example, your addresses. After putting your addresses, everything, then answer these few questions, your language level. After everything, you just click submit and your application will be submitted. So guys, thank you for watching up to this point. This is the last job, and I'll always post job updates on my Telegram channel, so kindly you can join the Telegram channel to get updated on every job that I post. The link is on the description below and on the about section of this video. Thank you. Until next video, goodbye.